Hello viewers, we'll be going over JNUG and JDST. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On Friday, JNUG closed above 7.6%, and on the 1-hour chart, we are slowly approaching to overbought on the RSI, and we see slight signs of the 1-hour MACD diverging. As for the 4-hour chart, if we expand that further, what we have here is we're encountering a possible resistance, the 100 moving average, this orange line, and we have now approached to positive MACD, and we have now reached to overbought on the RSI. And we did bounce right along the 200 moving average, this green line. If we expand out even further onto the 4-hour chart, we are resting along the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. That is a positive sign for the uptrend that is still intact. And we are slowly starting to make a convergence on the daily MACD, even though it's quite near to negative territories. So for the trade idea of the week for JNUG, my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry will be $138.87. That is roughly where the 50-day moving average resides, and my sell target will be $163.84, where we encounter previous resistance levels that dated back to July 28th as well as August 18th. And my stop loss will be $128.78. So now let's examine JDST. On Friday, it closed down 8.4% on the 1-hour chart. What we have here is we are in negative MACD territory, seeing slight signs of it converging and nearing oversold on the RSI. If we expand that further onto the daily chart, what we have here is we broke below all these moving averages as acting as our support, and we are left with the next possible support that dated back all the way to, say, August 18th. So at the moment, we have now reached to negative MACD, and we are not near oversold on the RSI. If we expand that onto the daily chart, what we have here is we are encountering previous resistance levels that dated back to August 11th, and that is around the price of $11.96. So the next possible movement down will be where we encounter all-time lows of $8.93. So for the trade idea of the week, if we zoom in further, my entry for JDST will be at $9.27, fairly close to where we encounter all-time lows, and my sell target would be $10.39, fairly close where we currently are at now. And I should say, where were we? So my stop loss will be $9.11, fairly close to where we encountered the all-time lows. So now let's examine the day-by-day probability model. What we have here is we're examining GDXJ, which is an underlying asset for JNUG and JDST. And for JNUG, just multiply this by 2 times, and for JDST, just multiply -2. So that's how you get the percent movements for them. So as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have an 80% chance for JNUG to climb between 0 to 9%, and to the downside for JNUG, we have a 20% chance for it to fall between 0 to -9%. And as for JDST, let's say 80% chance to fall between 0 to -9%. And for JDST, to the upside, we have a 20% chance for it to climb between 0 to 9%. So these models are available in the link below, so do check it out. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.